So let me share with you some simple recipes that you can use turmeric in every day. Number one is probably my most favorite. It's called golden milk. But golden milk is a few other ingredients along with turmeric in your favorite milk warmed up. It's like a tea and it's very soothing. The second one is turmeric rice. And as we know, rice can get very boring. So adding a pinch of turmeric to your rice can boost the color and also boost the flavor and the health benefits. Number three is roasted vegetables. Broccoli, potatoes, carrots, whatever vegetables you like to roast. Add a little bit of turmeric to it to boost the health benefits of your vegetables as well. Another is smoothie. And I know that doesn't sound appetizing, but really I use a little bit of a banana, fresh pineapple, and some spinach, and I put a little bit of turmeric in my smoothie, and you really don't taste the turmeric, but you get the health benefits. The other is hummus. For those of you that like hummus, add a little bit of turmeric to your hummus, and you won't even taste the flavor much, but you'll be getting those health benefits as you dip your hummus with your veggies, with your crackers, or whatever you like to go with your hummus. And then the other one is turmeric chicken. So as an additional spice to your chicken when you're baking or roasting or air frying your chicken, add a little bit of turmeric to your chicken to give you that health benefit as well. So adding this simple spice to your meals, it may cost $4 tops, can help you with a range of health benefits.